guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin, and today we are doing some swatches and an unboxing from Terra, a brand I haven't bought from in probably years. So I'm really excited to see what's up with the brand, how the products are, and get your opinions as well. If that sounds good, keep on watching. Before we get too far into the video, if you have not already, I would love it if you consider subscribing. I upload videos twice a week. It is totally free to subscribe, and I would love to have you back again on the channel for all things makeup. So this is the culprit of why this order happened. This is the Ophiuchus, I think I'm saying that right. I looked it up before the video, but now I'm blanking if that's correct on how to say it. This palette, it sounds like it's limited edition, at least the way they have described it, and I've just seen so many looks done with it. Pore, I believe is how you say her name, influencer, is the one who tipped me over the edge, and I was like, okay, yes, I'm getting it. So this was the reason for the purchase. I had it in my cart multiple times, couldn't pull the trigger, but along with Pore influencing me and them advertising mystery bundles, I went ahead and made an order for both. So if you would like to see a look with that palette, let me know in the comments. That's just kind of a passing mention in this video. The main star is the mystery bundle. So I got mystery bundle number 3. They had multiples going on so that you could pick like different face glitter eye gel type things or like lippies, eyeshadow products. So the bundle I got has 7 eyeshadows. I've already unboxed them and put them in this Unearthly Z palette that I had empty in my collection. 3 of them are mattes and 4 of them are shimmers. And then the lip. So let's go ahead and start with the lip. I've already got it on now here. It consists of a lip product and a loose pigment, flakies type situation. So here is the footage of me trying that on. Okay, so this comes with a lip and a loose pigment, but they were together in the same package. I think the pigment is supposed to go over the lip. So that's what we're gonna do here. Okay, first the lip. Oh, this applicator is kind of stuck in here. I don't want it to splatter everywhere. Oh, it has a good smell. What is that? It smells sweet, but it doesn't smell like the vanilla baked good normal sweet that a lot of brands do. It also doesn't smell fruity. It's hard to identify. Okay, let me try to not be messy and get this everywhere. It just feels like a black lip gloss. It's very opaque. I don't know that it's going to like set down. It's called the Void, in case I didn't say that. Yeah, I can see how pigment would stick to this really easily. Let me try to find a little brush here, lip brush, and I guess we'll just tap some of this pigment on top of it. Should stick really easily. Ooh, okay, so this is what the pigment looks like. Try not to spill it. Ooh, I did, of course, I did spill some of it. So it's like a gold and pink, I think is what it looks like. It almost looks like foil, like it's in pieces. Okay, let's pick some up on the brush. Oh, it's definitely like a foil in pieces because like there's a distinct foil piece here. Okay, I'm gonna try. Okay, I got one to stick to the lip. I'm going back in for more here. Oh, that's really pretty. I don't think it's going to be comfortable to wear, but it's really pretty. I got it on my phone screen, and now it does not want to come off. I don't know if you can see it or not. Oh no. Good thing I'm changing my screen soon. It has a little crack in it anyway, not the actual screen, but you know, the protector. Wow, that's really on there. Okay, let's try to go into the lid maybe some, get more pigment. Okay, so here's the lip. Hopefully you can see. It looks really cool to have like these gold and pink flecks in the lip. It is like pieces of foil though that you're applying to the lip. I can feel it a lot. Like, I don't know that I feel okay with like even eating with this lip on and like potentially ingesting some of these. It looks really cool, but it's definitely more of an art. Like, I think I'm gonna have to take this off before I can even safely eat. And the gloss, it's sticky the whole time, so it's easy to stick the foil to it, but I think this is definitely more of like for art than it would be for anything of convenience. And like maybe these flakies would be better on the eye, right, than the lip. It looks really cool against the black, but I can feel it even when I'm talking. It's really quite uncomfortable if I'm being honest. So I tried something new, but I don't know if that's for me personally. Cool thing to be in the kit though. Like I get it for Halloween, that's kind of a unique, neat, different thing. So yeah, it's more comfortable. I've been wearing about 20 minutes now. Since you saw that try on clip, it's more comfortable now, but yeah, just still different for me. That was first impressions. We'll see how I feel about it if I'll do it again. Let's swatch these. They're really, really cute names. Here's the Purple Witch's Brew. I'm just gonna go through and do like the tiniest little swatch on my hand to hopefully fit them all. I don't feel like these mattes look like anything that's gonna be like crazy different than what I have. Potion Dust is like a neon though. That's really, really cool. I love that they're definitely Halloween vibes. And then Grave Whisper is not quite a gray, I don't know, gray, blue, black. It's probably gray, right? With it being named Grave Whisper, I'm guessing. But those are the 3 mattes. And then there's 4 shimmers. I already have Pumpkin Charm incorporated into my look right now. There's Pumpkin Charm here. Let me do a different finger. I got a little gray in that swatch that I didn't mean to. That's better. Okay, that one on the end, that is Pumpkin Charm, and I've got that incorporated into this look here. You're gonna see me do this look pretty soon coming up this week, so I don't want to say too much, but I added this shade to the look that I already had going for a little bit of extra shimmer and sparkle. It's pretty, but it's just like a gold to me. Like there is no shift whatsoever. Like it's a fine shimmer. And then I haven't swatched the others, so I'm hoping they're like cooler, more unique. Haunted Ivy is a green. Ooh, okay, so this one feels a little flakier. Let me smooth her out a little. Oh, there is a shift in this one. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a pink purple kind of a shift in this one. So that's fun to see. Okay, this is what I was hoping for. I only have singles so far from Terra Moon, so that was why I was excited to try some lip products, some flakies, a palette, instead of just singles, but I did pick these singles up as well. Very cool. I like that one a lot. Again, that's Haunted Ivy. We've got Banshee's Whale. This one looks kind of blurple, mostly purple here, but let's see when we swatch it what we get. If it's all one color. Okay, this one's kind of a pinky purple. You can sheer it out like I did there, or let me try to build it up a little bit more. I mean, on my finger it looks a little bit deeper, but it's pretty sheer, that one. It's like a pinky purple. It's a little bordering almost kind of like that iridescent that I really like. And then the last one is Veil Fire. This one looks so cool. I don't have a lot of dark multi-chromes in my collection, dark based ones, so I'm looking forward to swatching this one and seeing what it looks like. Ooh, okay, that's cool. So it's definitely a black base, but then it's got, it might just look black to you. It has red and gold shimmer all throughout it. Let me see if I can concentrate it more here so you can see. I don't know, and I've got it on my pinky here as well. Maybe you can see some of the shimmer there in the light. Definitely spooky, ooky Halloween colors. I would say that Banshee's Wall, the like purple to pink, and Haunted Ivy are my favorite and probably the most unique to my collection. Overall, the lip and the flakies and the singles I probably could have done without. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not saying this because they're cheap, but I feel like they were priced more expensive than they needed to be for what they are. It's just me personally. I'm not mad at it, like I'll use these, but I certainly didn't need it. So I'm curious to see what I think of the palette and if that's more unique or impressive. Again, these are not bad quality. I just feel like other than the two shimmers, I don't know that this added anything to my collection that I didn't already have. So for me, I don't know if it was worth it. Now, that's not to say for you that it's not worth it. If you don't have things like this in your collection, you might be thrilled and so happy, and it could fill some gaps or the little Halloween void in your heart. So that's my first impressions, my thoughts. Again, let me know if you want to see me do a look with any of these singles or the palette, and I'll be happy to film it for you. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Bye!